Okay, so we're like a week into September and we got pawpaws everywhere.
This tree is full of pawpaws.
The tree is full of pawpaw. So these are wild trees. There's a big cluster of them up there. There's some there. I've magnified in the video, so they're a little bigger on video. As a little, sometimes they're kind of shaped like a peanut. Sometimes shaped a little more like a mango or something. So, first week of September, this is a large grove of pawpaw along a stream. So they love stream. This happens to be brackish water, but fresh water, brackish water, they seem to do fantastic. Find low-lying areas along water and you'll find pawpaws in the forest.